You recording?
Yep.
So, David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. In case you hear some zzz around, it's my little one in the back here. Put on our, was it the shark?
Shark.
The
Roomba.
Anyway.
But where are we?
Oh, so Stagers Corner. It's Wednesday, or at least Wednesday posting. So, got my lovely wife Natalie here. And she's actually excited today because we're in my brand new office. She got most of my crap out of the front foyer and it's up to in our backyard. Our basement. So we just want to do a quick little walkthrough of some of the stuff. We don't want to give everything away because we do have other videos to do. Mm-hmm. But I guess Ariana, who's doing the recording for us right now, because at least we'll get us some food because we're going to celebrate a little bit here. We're just going to do a quick little walkthrough of some of the stuff we decided to do. Where do you want to start?
How much do you want to show? Because I love this room.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I love this room here too.
Okay.
I love this.
So follow us along this way. Maybe we'll stand here so we don't show like everything.
Why don't I follow along behind you? Why don't you talk and then I'll come behind the camera here. This is the Natalie show.
I'm allowed to say that.
Yeah, go for it. Let's
okay.
see.
Dave likes to argue with me that he's the one that thought of this flat wall.
I did.
But I think he thinks, because I said the idea and then like months later, he's like, oh, what about this flat wall? Anyhow.
Whatever. Like, listen, at the end of the day, I wanted it here because I thought he was just breaking everything up. Because what I was looking for was, well, long story short, this used to be an apartment up here. We had really low ceilings and cracked ceilings. So the ceilings only came to about 8 foot. When we were opening up, I took a sledgehammer and we were opening up, we realized that the height was actually a lot higher. I wanted more of an industrial kind of look, and we were able to do that. But pretty much just here, but as you see, the roof is slant, it's sloping this way, so we couldn't do it at the back. But I really wanted this industrial look, but wanted to warm it up a little bit. So maybe that's what you suggested, something.
No, you just can't have everything black and a little bit of white, but everything is like there's a lot of black stuff in here, which is good, but we got to warm it up a little bit. So Dave had these panel doors installed here. So
I love this.
This is the warm room or the homework room. As you can see, little ones in here. I'm gonna shut these in there. Stay in there. We'll see the rest of the walkthrough. So what a great boardroom here. TV right off the front reception area. I don't know, not too big, not too small. Perfect size for a first office. Why are you staring at my shoes?
I don't know when my wife became the hippie dippy.
You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. And then if you want to turn around, Ariana, Dave's absolutely favorite piece of the office is this decal. This is logo right here. I'm sure many of you have seen it in stories, but this is Dave's pride and joy. And just for scale, let me show you. This is how big it is.
Awesome.
Anyway, it does make a great impact when you come right up the stairs. And it also...
Did you just give me a compliment?
Anyway, we liked it here instead of on the flat wall or on the desk or on the glass. I don't know, I just think it works really well as well.
And the one thing I really liked as well was just, we have no lights on in here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we have lights set up when it gets dark because when we were also opening up the ceilings, we noticed that there's this skylight, which it was already built in from the last, but it was covered. We didn't even know it existed. So we open up, although Elise sits here and she says it's a little too bright for her, but in the wintertime she's going to be complaining that it's not bright enough. But yeah, so I love this area. We created this custom-made desk, and then we did like this, believe it or not, was this industrial strength like laminate flooring, which looks like hardwood floor, but it's a lot more durable, and that's what we went through. And this is obviously the boardroom. We had my cousin from Ultima Kitchens. His name is Valerio, and he created he did the desk for us. He did one of these built-ins because I wanted a lot of storage, also in the kitchen, which we'll show you another time. But I just really like all the amount of storage, and really even having this table here, this marble table here.
That's Dave's second pride and joy.
Yeah, I love this table.
I think we're running way over time.
Yeah. Anyway, I do want to say a shout out to my cousin Anthony Cinelli, who did the construction from Surrey Construction. I think he's done an amazing job. We still have a couple of things we need to do, like paint the outside brick, a little odds and ends, a little bit touch-ups here and there. But yeah, anyway, if you wanted to reach out to Natalie and get in touch with her for, what's the best way?
Staging purposes, DM us over at Instagram at spaces.collective.
And I am David, _Realtor. See you soon.